Hey, it's Mike with Serr.biz right there, SERR.biz. That's an acronym for Search Engine Ranking Rules. Just want to introduce myself and invite you to explore this tutorial if you are a local business owner, service provider, restaurant, retail, what have you. One of the great things that has changed since 1999 when I started this is you as a local business owner can actually rank in Google for really broad match terms like real estate or pizza or karate, etc. Back in the day, you had to, have keyword density in your domain name and be a big national company to rank for those small generic terms. Not anymore, and that's awesome. And that's what this tutorial is designed to do, is to get you found in Google specifically, but the principles will also apply to Bing and DuckDuckGo, etc. So let's just jump right in and start with what is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Right? Google's a search engine. We want to optimize our website so that we can be found in Google when somebody searches one of those generic terms that I was just talking about. Now, let me just show you some immediate examples and to clarify very specifically what we're trying to do. So specifically, here we are over in Google. I've already done a search for SEO, and look at that. Serr.biz is showing right here in Google Maps. This is a Google Map listing. What's awesome is that this is free. If I got here, you can get there for your search terms. We're going to do a bigger tutorial specifically on Google My Business, which is being relabeled as Google Business Profile, I think is what they're going to start calling it. But that's a whole separate tutorial, but it's important that you know from the very beginning, it is part of your search engine optimization. This is a search engine and you get found for that term. For us, we typed in SEO and there we are. And then there's some other businesses, of course, but that's us right there. Part of why we're probably showing up, number one, is because we're actually sitting at Serr.biz. We're sitting in the office searching and the IP and everything is matching up. But there are other terms that you can show up for if you do your optimization correctly. So part of your SEO is your Google Map listing. Then underneath that, we have generic organic results, as they're called. That is also what you're striving to do with your search engine optimization, is get your content found down here in the free section. And then, of course, if you don't want to bother with SEO at all, you can just pay to play. I recommend using AdWords for your advertisement because that's the fastest way into Google. However, when you stop paying, you are no longer seen. So you want to do both pay-per-click marketing and search engine marketing so that you can be found. So another aspect of SEO is what it actually means, search engine optimization. And the next tutorial, we're going to talk about it a little bit more. But for this intro, what we know SEO to mean is optimizing your website and social brands and other third-party profiles that you have so that it shows up in the search engines when somebody searches specifically for your name, but as well as generic terms related to you. So restaurant, food, shoes, buy shoes, take karate class, etc. I hope you find this tutorial informative. If there's anything that is a little vague, please do leave a comment and we'll respond to it. We may just respond as a comment, or we might actually make another video. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's go to the next video.